So here I have the Autoline Pro smoke tester. I bought this because I think I have a vacuum leak on my car. So it came in this little package. It has a couple extra things. I guess this one is for sticking it in the airline or whatever. An extra fuse, some smoke fluid, which what I understand is baby fluid. So here's the device itself. It has a nice connector that you can remove. You have to give it air. The rest of it's fairly straightforward. I have it hot right now, so I can't take it apart. But inside it has like some cotton thing, and you just put the baby oil inside of there. Then it comes with a cable, and I have this one on there right now. Luckily on my 911, it has a thing back here for power. So I just stuck it on like that. And I'm going to put it inside the intake. I just put a glove over it, and we're going to see if something starts coming out. So let me get the airline hooked up, and then we'll have a look. Okay, so I got the airline hooked up, and as you can see, voila, there's lots of smoke coming out of there. So yeah, just hook the airline into that. The PSI I have it set as really low, as you can probably tell. So now I'm just going to, I opened the throttle body. Oh, there we go. I hear it. So now it's inside of there. We'll give it a few minutes and see what happens. Oh, look, it's blowing up the glove. Ruh-roh, I might have a problem. I can already see smoke, but I have a feeling it might be coming around there. Okay, let me investigate where it's coming from. So the only thing I found is this piece here. This piece here is leaking around this little black piece. Very little, but that's the only smoke I have coming out. So I don't know if that's normal. I know I read on the forums that somebody said that something would leak and it's normal, but I don't know if it's this or not, so I gotta go check it out and see. That sensor is mounted in right there. I don't know exactly what it does. I think it's some type of solenoid because nothing is coming out of this end here, so I think it's normal, but need to go check. So I think I figured it out. I don't think it has anything to do with that sensor. See this right here? That is used for the Porsche sports exhaust. So you probably can't hear it in this, but you can hear a little gurgling. I'm not sure if that's even the right microphone, but anyway, you can hear a little gurgling sound from that one. And then on the other side, this piece right here is disconnected from the braided hose like that, so that one was wide open. That one was down underneath the car, so I could barely see the air coming out of that one. And yeah, I think that's my problem. So both of them are coming out of this T right here. So I think I'm just gonna plug it because I don't even have the Porsche sports exhaust on my car anymore. Which is probably why I have this darn problem, because I took the thing off and right now I have no mufflers whatsoever. So yeah, let me take that off, and I bet that fixed my vacuum leak.